God, that's so nice. Yes, all right then, yeah, I'll do a bit of a duet with Alison Hammond on this morning, no problem at all. I know, I've been voted the best presenter of 2020 for MTD. It is absolutely amazing. I can't believe it. Oh, you're joking. Oh, sorry. Give me a pen, give it. Out of my way. I can't believe it, fans. Pain. Oh, darling, this has been fantastic. Can you believe that after Southern Manufacturing event that I've now become a celebrity after being voted the best presenter of 2020? I know Colin hasn't been in the best of moods and he is right salty with me. Take a look at this awful message he sent me.
I've had to take a flipping step outside. I'm fuming. Once again, Gina's tucked me up. We do these competitions, blah, blah. I don't think she words it right. She reckons she's the best presenter. Clearly, I'm not. Fortunately, it's a beautiful day. Old Dennis has gone and Kira left last week. But in between, we did our best presenter and I think she was paying people cash. I'm, fuming, unhappy, bad. Other words, superlatives fail me, basically. So next time, I'm going to make sure that I tuck Gina up.
Anyway, haters are gonna hate, as they say. Anyways, I'm feeling the love. So let's get a £100 competition up for grabs. Check out this clip at LK Metrology of their awesome 3D scanner. Colin, I have just come over to the LK Metrology stand at the Southern Manufacturing Exhibition and they're having beauty treatments. I mean, who is that? They're just lying there having beauty treatments.
Gina, it's not beauty treatment. LK Metrology are known two things. CMMs, I've got a great automated CMM system over on my right shoulder with a laser scanner, so you don't see that very often. Super accurate and automated, so it's loading with a robot arm. But this is a new product, a portable scanner on a robot, on an arm. Now that is scanning 500,000 dots per second, so pretty effective stuff. You can see scanning in the background, and this is great for, well, there you go, look at that automotive part, big sheets, machine gearbox casing, things like that. So you move the arm to the casing, don't take out the machine, so you get an accuracy, repeatability, because you're not having to move it out. So that's it, great little example. And, go on.
Wow. Wow, I mean, that was extremely long-winded. Thank you so much. I still think it's a beauty treatment. I think he's looking younger by the second, if we look a little bit closer.
But who is he?
But who is he? Who is that?
Well, I know who it is, but if you can guess out there, I understand there is a £100 Amazon voucher for the first person to guess who the person being scanned is. There you go, LK Metrology.
There you go, £100 for a Amazon voucher. Just guess who it is. Put your comments in the thread below.
I know who it is.
Who is it?
They can't say it on camera.
Oh, what? I need 100 quid.
Whatever.
There you go, guys. £100 just to guess who that is having that fantastic beauty treatment. Put your guesses in the thread below. Don't forget to subscribe with MTD Network for the very best competitions.
Blast from the past!
This week we're Wait, can we stop? Can you scroll back up a little bit? Blast from the past this week is a Microsprint 50. What? Microsprint. It says print. A Microsprint 50 that we found at Mellish Engineering Services from the 1970s, and it's still going strong. It sat in between the classic old peg boards and the newer CNC controls. This machine sported a fantastic digital control. So futuristic. It's still capable of holding tolerances. It's another blast from the past.
Another blast from the past. Look at this, a Microsprint 50. But, hope you can hear me, surprise, surprise, we're in a machine shop. There's some forged machines working in the background, so it is quite noisy, but I needed to showcase this. I'm reliably informed it's about 1970. Prior to this, you're probably having pegboard controls, but then this is the MMX control. Look at that, digital control there. That's absolutely fantastic. Anyway, many an engineer has cut his teeth or cut his parts on this. You can see the turret in there that will index round. It will hold bar up to about 2 inches. So as I said, before this you had your pegboards, then you had these machines, and these were the precursor to your sort of sliding head CNC machines. Great example is we're here at Mellish Engineering Services. They've still got a load of these machines working away, but they're replacing them all with Star sliding head machines. So that's where they're moving. But a cracking old machine. What more could I say? I've got some notes here. So just to reiterate, 2-inch bar, 1970, MMC digital control, the Microsprint 50, fantastic old machine.
Okay, so Gina Asked this week is all about being rumbled on rumblers.
MTD Education. Now, Paul, this time you've definitely been rumbled.
I have been rumbled, and these are rumblers. Now, you'd use these to deburr componentry. We've got two here, one that's actually in action here, and they call them stones that you put in here, and they can be ceramic or plastic. But the idea is that as this rumbles, your component is in the rumbler, and it takes off any rough edges or any minor burrs. Why would you use it? Well, you'd use it rather than having a very time-consuming process of an engineer using a deburring tool to take rough edges off or polishing surfaces. This process will do that for you. Now, you can put various components in here. You can put more than one, you can put 10, you can put 20. And you'd probably turn the machine on for an hour or maybe 2 hours, and at the end of it, you would have a fully deburred part that's ready to maybe go off for anodizing in this example. So that is what a rumbler does, and these are rumblers.
No. Can I just try that? Wow, okay, yeah, sure. I saw a vibrating barrel. So I saw an awesome vibratory barrel at the Southern Manufacturing event by PDJ Vibro. Check out this clip and the amazing finish on their parts. Check out this fan picky from Matthew Snel with his Swarf and Chips goodie bag. If you'd like to be as happy as Matthew is, who was adjusting his grids and vectors on his Makino Mag1, then all you need to do is enter our weekly competition. And this week, I'm going to ask you to send in your selfies, just like Matthew has, and the best one will win a Swarf and Chips goodie bag. Also, you can tell us what the machines you're working on too. MTD Network is growing rapidly, and we pride ourselves in connecting the parts that you want making to the engineers who can do this work for you. An inquiry was posted on the MTD Network. Nick and Bob from Ferocity got in contact with the client. It was a complex component using unusual material, and the team at Ferocity started quoting for the work. And they only won a contract worth $230,000.
What? 230,000.
Cha-ching! Check out this clip of Colin breaking this big news.
So yeah, it is a bit of breaking news. As I said, we've just done a quick drive-by of Ferocity in Cheltenham. Nick, what have you just told us, eh?
So we've had some good news. We started quoting a part from the MTD network just before Christmas, and last week we had an order for £230,000 come through.
Let's just reiterate that. How much was it?
230,000.
What a great big smile on your face. There you go, MTD Network, fantastic contract and a fantastic company, Ferocity in Cheltenham.
Prices starting at £100 per month. What more do you, okay, so prices starting at £100 per month. What have you got to lose? Plus, you'll be only working with the best presenter in the business. That's me, by the way. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe. Tag me in all your beautiful machining videos. No one's scrolling the prompt at the moment. Okay, and just keep being the G's that you are. See you later. This, like, you know, have a look at this. Can we all just take a moment? This should be the cover of the MTD magazine in the next edition, I think. Ah, by herself. Okay.